Hello everyone, M3FJZ here. I was reading on some forums about digital noise from the Arduino and hearing in their rigs, their SSB rigs or whatever rigs they're making. I'm no expert in this field, and I don't know if my experiences are any different than most, but I'll go through what I did here. I don't have any noise on mine from the Arduino or any of the I to C or the SPI buses or anything of that nature. Well, here's what I did. Well, here's how my rig's set up. Right now I have a power supply, 12-volt power supply from a an old CD player that someone gave me years ago. So I just put the power supply up here. It's a simple 12-volt power supply using a 3-terminal regulator. And the wire goes down across my bench, and it's just clip leaded here to the input of the rig. The first stop from this rig is to the audio amplifier. Then I have a twisted pair lead here that goes up to the Arduino, and it goes through a filter consisting of a 0.01 pi filter, 100 microhenry choke, into a 470 microfarad capacitor, to a 5-volt 3-terminal regulator that powers the Arduino and the display. And the Arduino output, the I to C, going to the SI5351, which I have soldered directly to the rig. So the RF component of the oscillator is connected, ground plane is connected together to the rig, and then only the I to C bus comes off of the Arduino onto the SI5351 through these 2 twisted pair wires. They go up to the rig right here, and here they are right here going into the Arduino. And right now I have the volume turned up quite a bit. Just atmospheric noise. Here's off-the-air conversations.
Wait, I hear you like banging a coffee cup or something. No, the doors they're just...
Not much on this time of morning.
Today, 8:30. That's it, just 13. Yeah.
So there it is. I have no digital noise here. So I don't know what I did differently, or if this could be a fluke on the way I wired it. As you see, I didn't take any precautions as far as having heavier conductors. These are just general clip leads. And my other rig is very much wired the same way.
Yes, that's the plan, is to eventually move up there, or maybe you'll keep a place there in town to crash. Confines of... So a guy maybe in a assisted living, you know.
And we're on, but really cool. So, great car. Well, we try to stay away from, of course, religion and politics, but it's pretty much just.
And as you can hear, between the actual stations, it's just atmospheric noise.
That's free. So yeah, I might go, and then we'll take up and see what happens for the rest of the day.
Well, anyway, this rig here is powered in much the same way as the other one. I have a pyramid linear power supply supplying 13.8 volts to 2 clip leads. They come down to the rig. First stop, of course, is the power distribution module, and then the wires come down to the audio. And the SI5351 is attached, soldered directly to the RF deck at the ground plane, and the I to C bus comes up through these wires here. Let's see, through these right here, this orange and yellow wire goes back through a connector and up to the rig and down onto the where the Arduino is. So I don't know, like I said, I don't know if I'm doing anything different. Oh yeah, and the power supply to the Arduino is the same. It's a pi filter consisting of a 0.01 capacitor, a 100 microhenry choke, another 0.1, and up to a 470 microfarad capacitor. That goes up to a 3-terminal regulator. Which has 2 bypass capacitors, 0.01s across the leads. That comes down and powers the Arduino and the display, the frequency counter module, the GPS, and everything else. So there you have it.
Have a great day. It's 7:30. I'm going to have to get some breakfast. K8EA relay, yeah.
UMT.
Well, anyway, I hope that's helpful. Keep building, keep experimenting, keep those soldering irons hot. N3 FJZ 7301.